Have you ever wondered how to effectively serve static files in your Express application? It can be a bit tricky at first, but don't worry. Today, we're diving into the purpose of a virtual path prefix in Express and how it can simplify your file serving. I totally get it. Setting up static files can feel overwhelming, especially when you're trying to make sure everything is accessible and organized. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when working with Express. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, "What is the purpose of a virtual path prefix in Express?" They want to understand how to serve static files effectively and why a virtual path prefix might be beneficial. If this sounds like you, stick around as we explore this topic. So what exactly is a virtual path prefix? Essentially, it allows you to serve static files from a specific path without having that path exist in your file system. This can help keep your URLs clean and organized, especially when you have multiple static directories. And make sure to stay with us until the end. I have a great tip that will help you manage your static files more efficiently. To create a virtual path prefix in Express, the user should start by specifying a mount path for the static directory. This allows them to serve files from a specific URL path without changing the file system structure. After setting the mount path, the user can access the static files using the new virtual path prefix. For instance, they can load an image from the public directory using the /static prefix. Using a virtual path prefix is beneficial for organizing static assets. It helps in avoiding conflicts with other routes in the application and makes it clear that these files are served statically. Additionally, the user can set multiple virtual path prefixes for different static directories. This allows for better management of assets across various parts of the application. In summary, the user can effectively manage static files in Express by using virtual path prefixes. This enhances the structure and clarity of their application. Fun fact: did you know that the concept of serving static files dates back to the early days of the web? It's amazing how far we've come, yet some principles remain the same. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach shared by another user highlights the usefulness of virtual path prefixes when serving static files from multiple directories. They explain that these prefixes help distinguish between the different directories, making it easier to manage your static assets. If you're interested in exploring this technique further, the user provided a helpful link for more information on serving static files in Express. Here's the tip I promised. Always organize your static files into clear directories and use virtual path prefixes to keep your URLs neat. This will save you time and headaches in the long run. And there you have it. You now understand the purpose of a virtual path prefix in Express and how to serve static files effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.